reviewing the HP Engage 1 Pro. Looking at the box that it comes in, and this is the part numbers. Let's get into the box and see what's inside. This is the box with the accessories in it. Has a power supply. This is the power barrel, so you can just have a look at what that looks like. And then also it comes with a 280 watt power supply. You need to have a IEC cable to plug into this power supply, which also comes in the box of accessories. These are just some port covers, handy for covering the ports that you don't have used with any accessories. So if you spill anything, if it's used in a hospitality setting, or if you just want to protect the ports from somebody else trying to plug things in, it's a good option there. It also has a quick setup guide. And then we have the Engage 1 Pro unit itself. So it all comes pre-assembled, attached to a stand, a base plate, and a connectivity dock. This is a 15-inch model, so you can see here that it's got a nice screen. The way the screen's been designed is so it's nice and flat without any edges, so you can wipe it down nicely. Demoing the professional stand. So this stand has height adjustability. You have about 40 millimeters of adjustment in height, and then you can tilt it backwards and forwards. And depending on which angle you want to hold it, it's a pretty stiff hinge. That's the mag stripe reader. This is the camera, front-facing camera, which it comes with. You can see here there is a little port cover for a USB barcode scanner, which can be inset, integrated into the base of the display. Up the top there's another one, which can be used to mount customer-facing displays from. There's quite a few different options. That there is the biometric space, so if you want to add a fingerprint reader, that can also be put into the casing, and also another optional spot for a barcode reader. There is an option to have a column hub. You've got 3 USB type A ports, a USB 12 volt port and 24 volt port to drive external display or printers, and a USB-C port. A quick view of the advanced connectivity dock, which is attached to this base plate. So you can see there's a Castrol port, 24 volt port, 12 volt powered USB ports, the USB-C port that actually connects to the head unit. So there are options to be able to mount that on a Visa plate. These other ports, you've got USB-C out as well, which can be used for customer facing display, and then a nice cable tidy clip. Here goes a quick demo of some of the port covers. So there's a port cover in the bag for every single port. One thing that a lot of people forget is when you're actually utilizing the advanced power dock, if that power button hasn't been pressed, then the head unit won't be able to turn on with this button here. So I have had people ask me about that in the past when they pull their machine out of the box and plug it in. The head unit doesn't turn on. So yeah, I always get them to check that advanced connectivity dock is actually on. And that's the end of our video.